Hello. I have the pedals all set up. We've got two of them. Only one is connected to one linear actuator right now. But we've got the switches all hooked up, ready to go, connected to the battery inside this nice little box. So, let's see it in action. Easy. Linear actuator goes in. Press the pedal the other way. Linear actuator moves out. This slightly larger one will be for rotating the hips, while the slightly smaller one, which is currently installed in the unit, will be used for steering. The smaller one will be linked to this pedal right here, which will be going in the floor space of the cockpit. It's a little wobbly at the moment because it's not secured to anything, it's just resting on the floor. But things are going to be a little more complicated because it's starting to snow. Hooray for wintertime! Which means that the mech is covered with snow too. So I'm going to need to brush it off. I am protecting the delicate bits, with plastic baggies and, well, the linear actuator is safe under there. But I got some of the posts in, unfortunately, and before I get the paneling on, I'm going to have to bring it inside and defrost it, getting some of the schmutz off. Also, when I disassembled it, maybe one or two bits of PVC broke. Oh, yep. No wait, that one just detached, so there's probably a couple that broke somewhere. You have to take a close look at it and, make sure that some of the wire connectors are nice and dry, but this is only a sensor, not really required for operation. So, I'm going to be bringing these inside. I'm going to have to be flip-flopping the engine for the unit here in between this and my snowblower. So that's going to add some interest to the logistics behind this. And I gotta, redo some of the paneling because it's only held together with Gorilla Tape, so it looks a little wonky. But, all things considered, it's pretty good. I mean, the torso here will rotate nice and easy, so it should be no trouble for the linear actuator I've got inside. So, I guess until next time, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.